this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I welcome and thank you for stopping by today. I am getting close to that 30,000 mark, and I've been talking about this for about a month now, but we're getting closer. I think we're less than 500. And once we get there, I'm going to do a big giveaway for the 30,000. So make sure you subscribe. All right, so today I am doing a quick and easy because this is the quick and easy day. This is a 2x2 box. I used to love doing these boxes, and I haven't done them in a long time. I forgot how adorable they are. So it is 2x2, and I used cardstock on the bottom, and I matted this, and then the top part is just designer series paper. But look how cute the strawberry is on here. Isn't that adorable? It is so cute. It's a little 3D strawberry. So it just opens like this. And I thought would be really cute to go in here would be those little candies that look like strawberries, or the strawberry gummies would be really cute. And you can use the Stampin' Up! Food Safe bags and put some gummies in there and stick it in here. It would be really, really cute. So this is what I'm sharing today. So let's go ahead and get started with this. You are going to need for it a piece of, this is Poppy Parade. It is 6x6. And then for the top, you are going to need the designer series paper, which is 3x3. And then to mat it, you need 4 pieces that are 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. Now I'm going to show you the bundle we're using is the Sweet Strawberry. So this comes as a bundle. You save 10%. I love this bundle. It is so stinking cute. And then when you spend $100 during celebration, you can choose the designer series paper and the berry blessings. So this comes as a bundle if you spend $100. But this paper is so pretty. Look at the blueberries, and then there's the raspberries, and it has the strawberries that I'm using today. And the paper is so beautiful. I love both sides. Look at this one too. Oh my goodness, I love this. And look at the other side. And the berry one, I almost did the blueberry with this top. But I really wanted to do the strawberry because I know if you don't get this bundle, you can do the strawberry one. All right, so now what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and stamp. You need some basic white. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp, and I'm gonna punch as I stamp because I find this just is easy, and we'll color them after we get them punched out. So we're gonna stamp our first strawberry here, and I'm just gonna go along. You can make a matrix with this and just punch that and then stamp your images inside of it. I find it harder for me, so I am just going to punch. And we can probably use, I'm using the thick basic white on here, so it is a little bit harder to push through. We're not going to use the leaf, but I'm going to save that. And we'll just go ahead and see if we can punch a flower on here. We need 3 flowers and 3 strawberries. So sorry if my head gets in the way, but I'm going to see. Oh yeah, I punched that, or I stamped that one good, so we got 1 strawberry and 1 flower. And then we're going to go ahead, I'm going to do another flower because I have a little space here. And we'll do that flower. So we have all 3 strawberries. Now I'm just keeping these little leaves and flowers that come out because I could use those. All right, and then we have one more thing to stamp, but I have to fussy cut that piece. So we are going to use this little leaf that is on this little vine, and we're just using these 3 leaves right here. So I'm going to just fussy cut these right here out. All right, so we are going to color this now, and I'm going to grab my blends. You can color it with whatever you like. I'm using light and dark, real red, and then light and dark Flirty Flamingo for the flowers and the light and dark granny apple green. I'm making this very simple. If you want to skip through this, you can go ahead and skip through the coloring, and then I will meet you on the other side. But I'm going to go ahead and color because I know some people like to watch the coloring. So this is the light that I'm using first, and I'm just going to do all of them the same. I always kind of go in a circular motion. I'm going to leave that undone right now because I'm going to just take some of the dark and go over. I'm just going to shade these a little bit on the side here, and then we're going to blend that in. I'm just going to go over to get that little rough line out of it. And if you really want to get particular with this, like really kind of make it look realistic, you can use your color lifter, and you can just use do a little bit of a, to make, you know how some strawberries have that little white on it, and then you can make it just look kind of realistic. All right, so let's go on with the light and dark. We're going to do the flowers, and we're just going to color these all light, Flirty Flamingo, and then we're going to just do the center, the dark. Like I said, I'm just going to keep this very simple. This is our quick and easy, so. And then we are going to, where did my little piece go? We need to color this as well. And we forgot to stamp. I'm going to do this in the light and dark granny apple green. And then we need to stamp our little top part. I forgot the top of the strawberry. I'm just gonna all right, so then let's do, you know what, I already have one of those already punched and colored that I had left from the last one. I thought I was going to use two. So we're going to just use this one, but this is the top of the strawberry. So we're going to just fussy cut this little piece, and I will be right back. Okay, so there's our last leaf. All right, let's get this all together now. Let's do our strawberry first. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fold this in half. I just did them all. Just line them up. They fold right in half, and I'm going to just use my bone folder. These are still a little damp from the coloring, but it's still okay. They'll work. And then we're going to do one more. And then I'm going to use wet glue for this. We are going to glue these together. So just line them up. And then we'll do one more. And you have your strawberry ready to go. This is how we're going to glue it from this side. And then on the front, whoops. This front part right here, we're going to glue this piece right here. the top of our, I'm glad I had this piece, then I didn't have to bother you all and punch that one out and then stamp it and punch it. But that's the front, just like that. So there's our strawberry. We got everything ready to go. Let's make our box. This is the easy part. All right, we are going to score this. You are going to score this is the 6x6, so you're going to score it at 2 inches on all 4 sides. So just do 2 inches, or you can do it at 2 and 4. And then the top, I always use the thicker ball for the top because this is just straight designer series paper, and you are going to do a 1/2 inch on all 4 sides for this one. You don't want to press so hard on this, but the bigger ball will not push it into the holes, the grooves deeper. So that's why you use the bigger one. So we got all 4 sides. Yep. All right, so that's it. Super, super easy. All right, so now we are going to cut this, and you're going to just cut down. I'm going to cut down on both sides here. And then I'm cutting one side down. I'm cutting both on the, and we're making our own little, this just cuts down on the bulk of this box. So we are just making our own little glue tabs here. We're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so now let's do our top piece. And this one's going to be hard for you to see. I'm going to turn it over so I can see because it is a little bit busy. And this one I'm going to turn it and go around. Just turn it a 1/4 turn. All right, so we have our lid here. Now, let's go ahead and mat it, or you can just put it together and then mat it. But we'll go ahead and mat that. Now, this has direction, so make sure that your strawberries are going in the right direction. So they will be facing the top here. Paper is so pretty. I really wanted to order more. So I've used it quite a bit. I think I've used the strawberry one in another project. I can't remember. All right, so we're going to use wet glue again. Put it on. These are all our glue tabs here. And then just line these up. Make sure they're nice and square. And if you're using wet glue, you are going to have to hold it for a minute till that gets that tackiness. Okay, so we're going to do our lid now. And I was just thinking that I may have told you the wrong measurements on this lid. It is, I think I might have said 3 by 3, and it's 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. So I'll put the measurements in the description, because when I first made this box, I just used designer series paper, and when you use designer series paper, it's a lot thinner. But this has the cardstock, so I needed a little bit more room. So it's 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. All right. So there's our lid. Now this should fit. Whoops. You have to hold this for a minute. Some of my ends are not right. This should fit just right. There we go. See? It fits perfect. So remember to do it at 3 1/8 by 3 1/8 because the first one, I think I did it was too tight. All right, so let's go ahead and we are going to stamp our sentiment here. And the sentiment is from the same bundle. And it says, hello there. So I wanted to just try to keep it to the one bundle. And we are just going to cut this out. And I'm just cutting it close to the letters. You see me do this if you follow me. You see me do this a lot. And then we are going to just cut. I'm going to give it a little bit of room because I'm going to make it pop up a little bit. All right, so I am just, what I'm going to do is I'm just kind of going to bend those ends in and then kind of curve this around so we can put it on like that. So it's going to pop up just a little. So I'm going to use my wet glue. I'm going to put that on the end there. Kind of made that a little bit longer than the other one, so we're going to try to flatten it down just a hair. I'll trim it up here. I'm going to hold it. There we go. And then we're ready to put our strawberry on. And first we're going to put on this little leaf here. So I'm going to kind of attach this underneath the strawberry. Kind of like that. And then we'll put the strawberry on. And this is going to hang off a little bit. Don't be afraid to press it because you can always pull these back up. Just like that. And then we're going to put little mini glue dots on the back of these flowers and we are going to pop them up. So we'll put one on this side. Isn't this cute? Love this bundle. I'll put one here. I think I'm going to put two on this side, because we have the room for two on that side. Just like that. Look how cute that is. I hope you enjoyed it, everybody. It's a really cute little box, and I think it'd be really a little fun treat just for a friend, a coworker, or just for anybody. It'd be really cute. It's so springy too. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Here's my new February hostess code. And if you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.